it's Miss Swan, and today we are going to play Mystery Box. So, to play this game, I'm going to give you some sounds. You're going to blend those sounds together and then guess what's inside the mystery box. Are you guys ready for your first word? Awesome. Your first word is S, T. Listen to those sounds again. S, T. Blend those sounds together. What do you get? Do you know what's in the mystery box? The answer is vest. If you guessed vest, you got it correct. Let's try another one. All right, our next word is k or n. Let's listen again. K or n. Blend those sounds together. You could even stretch it out. What do you think's inside this mystery box? Are you ready to find out? The item is corn. If you guessed corn, you got it correct. Let's do another. All right, here's our next word. Soup. Let's blend those sounds together. Let's even try stretching it out. Soup. When you put those sounds together, what word do you get? If you know what's inside the mystery box. Let's see what it is. The word is soup. If you blended those sounds and got the word soup, you got it correct. Are you guys ready for your next word? All right, here we go. A, K. Let me hear you guys put those sounds together. Let me hear it. One more time, those sounds are A, K. Do you guys think you know what's in my mystery box? Let's find out in 3, 2, 1. The word is rake. You got it. Let's do one more together, okay? All right, friends, here's our last word. Here we go. Or stretch out those words, blend them together. Let's try it again. Oars. If you put those sounds together, what is in my mystery box? Have you guessed it? Well, if you guessed the word horse, you got it correct, friends. You guys have done such an awesome job today. Now I want you to practice at home with your parents and your family, trying to identify some of the words they might be trying to tell you. Blend those sounds together and figure out those mystery words. I'll see you guys later. Bye.